Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster. Wanted to know how to get rid of these pesky blue lines. What are they and how do you get rid of them? Because if you print it, it's going to print with this line stuck right where it's at. Basically what these are lines that come off of the rulers on the edges. If you have the rulers up here on the side and on the top, that's what they're there for. If you're in the grab tool here, you can actually just wave right over them and grab it and take it right back to the ruler and it's gone. It's simple as that. Now, what are they used for? Well, let's say your photo is like out of level and you want to level it. So this photo came in and it's a little bit sideways and I want to make sure I'm level. You could do it several different ways. I can go like this, click it, and I can turn this and kind of guess where it's going to be square. But you know what? A lot of times I can do is if I want to, let's say, align it inside the frame here, I just grab the ruler over here, left click, and bring it in. And there's my left ruler line. I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to grab the one from the top and left click and drag it down to here, and I'll just position it here. Now that gives me a frame of reference that I can use to level this. So now I can grab the rotation and bring it up like that. And you can see how I'm matching it with the line on the top, so I know exactly where it's level. And once I like it where I have it, I can click OK and then move this over here. I can go to View and go to Snap to Guides, and when I go close to it, it'll snap right to it. And then you got your picture straight up and down. It's that easy. Once you're done with them, you just hover over the lines and drag them back to the rulers out of the way, and that's all there is to it. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.